Hi friends, today I am going to discuss the summary of the chapter The Deep Water. It is the chapter number 3 of Flamingo book of class 12. So let us start. Deep water is the writer's journey to overcome the fear which is rooted in him since childhood. Author started fearing from water since the age of 4. It started when the author visited to the beach with his father. Then a wave knocked him and swept over him. From now onwards, author started fearing from the water. When the author was 11 years old, then he experienced another incident which increases his fear. When the author was at pool, he was trying to learn swimming. Then a bully makes a dangerous plan to do prank. Then he pushed the author at the end of the pool, which is deep. Then author reaches up to 9 feet in the water and he started struggling to hold on to something. He yells for help, but he was feeling paralyzed. Only his heart was moving now. Thus he gave up and ready himself to die. But he suddenly woke up at the side of the pool. The terror he experiences will never go away. It will continue to haunt him for many years. He visits to the marine lake and more, but he is unable to enjoy it. Then he decided to overcome the fear. Then he joins the swimming class in order to learn swimming from the instructor. Instructor provide him many tips and tricks for the swimming. He begins with inhaling and exhaling part. Then he practices it for several weeks. Further he moves on to kicking his legs on the side of the pool but still he is terrified. In order to get rid of it, he dived into the water, and then finally his fear goes away.